Hi everybody, this is Jamie. Just wanted to let you know that I'm feeling better and that I don't have all our Christmas shopping done. So my husband and I are going to the mall to try and find last minute presents and to come home and try to rearrange some things in the living room to make room for all the presents. Um, I hope you're all doing well. I hope that you don't find yourself sick for Christmas. I wish and pray that for everybody. Um, Boy, do I not like going to the mall. I do not like the crowds. But some things have to be done. I have to find something to wear, to go out. Whenever I know that I have to go somewhere, I stress out so bad. It's terrible. I love the Christmas season. I love the Christmas movies. I think I've seen Miracle on 34th Street about 4 times yesterday. I have the video of It's a Wonderful Life. I love that movie. I think I could say all the lines with them. I need to see A Christmas Story. I love that one too. But please let me know. Maybe subscribe to me, or whatever. If you want to leave me a comment on something I can improve on, or anything that I can research so that for you, I would be glad to. Merry Christmas. Bye.